Hi y'all, it's Yvonne. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, don't forget to check out my last video where I showed you how to make butterfly locks from scratch. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. As promised, today we're going to be installing the locks I made in my last video on my fussy natural hair. So let's get started. For this installation, I am not going to be using rubber bands. Rather, I'm going to put my hair into twists and then I'm going to install the butterfly locks with a crochet pin. I'm showing you the 3 different lengths of butterfly locks that I have. In my last video, if you have watched it, I showed you how I achieved this length because I want to make sure that the locks is balanced out when installed on my hair. If you haven't watched my last video, head to my channel to watch it and don't forget to subscribe too. So guys, I'm doing my hair and I decided to do my makeup to show you the finished look. I hope you like it. In my next video, I'll be showing you how I style my butterfly locks in 15 different ways. So look forward to it. But till next time, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.